Jones, how does a guy like you, deputy superintendent in public schools, partner with people like Delegate Candy King, like Supervisor Monica Garrett, like Delegate Joshua Cole, like Deputy Josh King, like a Apostle Karen Bettis Davis, like Heather Hutchinson? How do we get together so we can speak to what Captain Lee Peters is talking to? Hey, listen, we do have a mental health crisis that is adding to the gun violence and mass shootings. We must get funding not only to help the police who are dealing with it in the street, but we have to get funding so that we can deal with the people who have mental health issues who are coming to our schools. And now you put it on the teachers who are going to our jails. Now you put it on the police. How does somebody like you stand in the gap from where you are and help this situation?
Well, Carl, this is where I got to thank you, because obviously what you're trying to do, I mean, Josh King said, we don't talk, right?
Amen.
So, so what we're doing today, I would say first and foremost, we need to do more of this, but more importantly, we need to probably develop some kind of community-wide team that includes all the folks that are on this call and others. I got to share with you that I have a brother who's a crisis social worker. That's what he does for a living. So he's dealing with people in crisis all the time. I guess the answer to your question is what from a community perspective, what does that look like if we have everyone at the table? So that everybody has a role in addressing, actually in preventing a crisis, but in particular, based on what we talked about in the last 10 minutes or so, addressing a crisis when it occurs. I think that's what the Marcus Alert System is, just a beginning. Again, it's another layer. So how do we create a layered approach that has all the layers across schools, across mental health, across law enforcement, across the entire community, so that we have a mechanism and everybody has a place in this role?